Have you always wanted to know about your skin type, how to take care of your skin, or you don't even have any idea of where to start from? And I believe that this channel is for you. My name is Ngozi and I'm here to talk about my brand, Toa Naturals. Toa Naturals is all about being safe and secure, knowing what is best for you, knowing what is best for your skin, having the right knowledge on how to go in your choosing of your products and things like that. And I believe that this channel is going to be fun and interactive. So here on this channel, we're going to be talking about, and this is what we're going to be learning on this channel. On this channel, we're going to be learning about how to take care of your skin, having this radiance look, having this skin glow. Here on this channel, we're going to be talking about that. We're going to be giving beauty tips. We're going to be teaching ourselves on how to choose the right products for your skin type. Just not choosing any product. We're also going to be teaching ourselves how to have a safe and secure product for your skin. It's all about being safe and secure, choosing the right thing for you, not just going for any products. We're also going to be talking on active ingredients, knowing active ingredients like mulberry extract, alpha arbutin, kojic acid, kojic dip, and things like that. We're going to know their percentage, how to incorporate them in whatever we want to use. We are also going to be talking about skin issues, the acne, the pimples, the rashes, the hyperpigmentation, the discoloration, things like that. We're going to be talking about the skin issues. We're going to be talking about their causes. We're going to be talking about their corrective mode, how to correct it, how to work on it, how to work with it. Talking about essential oils. We're going to be talking about essential oils, their topical limits, how to make this your skin glow with your essential and your carrier oils like your lavender, your olive oil, your sandalwood oil, essential oil, your carrier oils like your apricot kernel oil, and things like that. We're also going to be talking about them. And we also have other side benefits like teaching ourselves how to make soap, blow oils, body cream, facial serums, your niacinamide serum, your vitamin C serum, things like that. So I know that you don't want to miss out on these benefits, you don't want to miss out on these things on this channel, so please do make sure you subscribe to my channel, and we're going to be talking next time.